Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, just go to the upper bar, and here you have the button screen recorder. By holding your finger on it, you can't access any settings. You tap on it and you will summon this screen recorder menu. You can enable or disable the touches here. You can enable disable microphone. To start recording, just tap on the start button, and after that recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. If you want to stop recording, just tap on this menu here and then tap on the stop button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen record album, and here it is. If you want to stop recording, just tap on this menu, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.